Here. Keep going, keep going. This time we're gonna go ahead, okay? We're not turning left in this road. So keep your car straight in middle, keep going. Keep going ahead. So next crossroad we are turning left, and when we turn left, then immediate left. Now I'm gonna give you different type of junction. Remember, away from the park car. Good. Then go. So we're turning left here. Did you check your center mirror for the left turn? Okay. So we're turning left here. Here. And then next left. This is different junction. So look at the layout and just see how you're gonna do it with nice and slow speed. Nice and slow. You touch the curb. Keep going. You touch the curb, and why is that? Did you come slow or fast?
Fast.
Oh, okay. We'll go again and fix this. End of the road left. So look at the road layout, slow down so you can see this is unmarked junction. So now if I let you, you're gonna go on the curb. Look, curb is here. So just move away from the curb. Remember how much we need the distance, and then we're turning left here. It's an unmarked closed junction. On unmarked closed junction, what can we do? You just stop here first, look properly on your right everywhere, then we turn left. If it's safe, then look there, and then turn quickly. Yeah, you need to turn now, otherwise you're gonna go on the other side of the curb. Okay, end of this road, turn left. We need to signal, keep on the right because he's there, and slow down, just nice and slow, and then we come to the left here. And this is a crossroad, so we stop here before the giveaway line. Just stop completely stop here. Now start your observation there, the left, ahead, right. If it's safe, then you're gonna go. Is it safe? Okay, then go. I'm gonna tell you in few junctions, and then you're gonna do it next time yourself, okay? So slowly I'm gonna give you little responsibilities, okay? You keep going ahead. At the crossroad, turn left, then immediate left.
What do you mean, this one?
Yeah, we're turning left and then immediate left after the one on the left. After the one, we are turning left. Yeah, and then next left, please. Remember, we don't want to go on the curb. If we If our car going on the curb, we slow down, we ease off. So we're turning left. Steer quickly, yeah, like this, and slow down. That's it. Perfect. Keep it on the left, and now he's coming, so ease off again. So give him way, ease off, nice and slow. Go. End of the road, we are turning left. This is unmarked junction, so remember, we don't want to go really close with the curb. So which speed is safest on approach? When we approaching at the junction?
Slow.
Good.
Crawling.
Why slow?
Because you have time to assess.
Yeah. And this is unmarked junction. There's no marking, so no one go priority here. Okay, so when you turn, you steer to the left, okay? More to the left, more. Otherwise, you're gonna go to the right. Yeah? Good. And end of this road, turn left. Only this mistake you're making. When you're turning left here, you go to the right. We need to fix this when we come back. So, and we are turning left. How are we gonna do observation here? Good. No, tell me so I can hear your voice. Where are you looking?
Left, middle, right.
Yes, that's fine. Okay, good. That's fine. Now keep going ahead. In the crossroad, we are turning left and immediate left. So we can go around and fix this turn, okay? Signals too early. Remember where we start signaling, how many cars away from the junction?
2.
10 cars away. So maybe here. When we see the junction, then. And if he's coming, we ease off. Keep going. No, he's turning right. Keep going. He's turning right. Keep going. He's going there. So we turn left, slow down, nice and slow. Don't panic, ignore him, keep going. Because you got the right of way, because he's turning right in our road and you are turning left. So he will stop in middle and you got the priority, okay? So you're turning left here. You don't want to hit the curb. You just slow down, stop because he's there. Just stop and wait. There's not much space to turn, okay? Now we can turn. So every time situation is different. Good. Well done. Nice. Keep going ahead now. You fix this turn. And you dealt with him really well. So end of this unmarked junction, we are turning left. Here again, is he coming in our road? If he's coming, you going to the left more. Remember, what's the best solution here? We stop here. Just stop completely so he can go from this space, then we go around. Don't go. Just stop and wait for him. Now go. Because there's not much space for 2 cars. And he's a 1. So we are turning left. Remember, this is an unmarked junction, so here we stop before our giveaway line. There's no giveaway line, but imagine giveaway lines. Which way we steering?
Left.
Yeah. I'm gonna go again and fix this because I'm not happy with this turn. Move more to the side. End of the road, we are turning left.